is Altus Viljoen and I'm a plant pathologist at Stellenbosch University in South Africa.
I'm Jan Mostert and I'm a molecular plant pathologist at Stellenbosch University, supporting Altus's research activities.
We visited Ecuador in August 2019. This was soon after the news became public about the detection of TR4 in Colombia. The reason for the visit was to present a course to Agrocalidad, INIAP and university scientists on the identification, epidemiology and management of banana fusarium wilt. During this training we also discussed surveillance, investigating suspect plants and the containment of any possible cases of fusarium wilt TR4 in the country.
After the training, Agrocalidad have the ability now to provisionally identify fusarium pathogens in Ecuador, specifically tropical race 4. Stellenbosch University has agreed to confirm the identity of any suspect cases and to support them with any other matters regarding diagnostics and the containment of the disease.
We've signed a memorandum of understanding in which Stellenbosch University undertook to collaborate with Agrocalidad in diagnostics and to share information about the prevention, occurrence and management of banana fusarium wilt.
We are aware of the activities of Agrocalidad related to increased monitoring of Ecuador's banana production areas, the development of risk strategies and the use of drone technology to search for possible cases of fusarium wilt.
Stellenbosch University has been working with scientists and growers in Ecuador for several years and is committed to support Agrocalidad and the banana industry in the country in any way required or deemed necessary.
Infórmate por los canales oficiales y ante cualquier sospecha de la presencia de esta plaga en tus cultivos, comunícate de inmediato con Agrocalidad al 1-800-247-600.